Paris. Okay, I think this not around. Okay, next is Mr. Angelo Adnil Reyes.
Ano ka? Magbait mo.
Ikaw ba mabait? Okay, picture ka, Angelo. Lapit ka naman ng konti para naman kayo manaya. Closer, ayan. Okay, next, Mr. Lester Lapay.
Hi. Hello. Happy birthday, Anika. More birthdays.
Morse birthday, Morse. Dami nun. Okay, thank you so much. Picture ka, Kuya Lester. Kamusta si Axel the Great? Ayun, thank you so much, Kuya Lester. Next is Miss Princess Sanggalang. Miss Princess.
Happy birthday, Ate Anika. May God please provide for you and may you have a blessed birthday and may God guide you spiritually, mentally, and physically. Yung gift ko sa'yo is magagamit mo siya every time you wanna go out and hang with your friends. It's very convenient in the kitchen.
Napaka ano naman ito, no? Napaka maka-Diyos. Piling ko pag ano nito, pag tanda-tanda nito, magiging presidente ng BLC. Magiging presidente ito ng pamunuan ng simbahan. Okay, next is Mr. Jacobo Napolitano. Hi!
Happy 18th birthday, Anika. More birthdays to come in God's goodness. Ano siya? Color pink.
It's color pink. Ayan, watercolor yan. Okay, picture. Okay, next is Miss Jill Michael Santos.